Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol, How number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ke College Babhatam Nagabanta ke Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ke Jingpuli ke Jingseo ka Baret but Hila Bandai Group and Puli da ke Education Loan, Hila Ruban Shukol How number Kandai Nyo Sao San Riun Rio Pranot, Lani Kandai Pran Rio Laisan, Arn Riwe Kandai Pra.
Hakisan senam ke balalinyo, Presiden ke BJP hakni ke jala, uba Ernest Mauri, udai ubu jukuran persabha ya keseng NPP, kabayalam ya ke sorkar. Henry mentau niu nong yalam ke BJP, ulang ke BJP kan kersan doyap do embed ya ke MDA, kabayalam da ke NPP. Uba Ernest ulang ru, bagi BJP ke de keseng ke beningkong tam, ban ajing kersan ya ke NPP, syawab kan tau ya ke sorkar.
We are happy. We are the first party who went to the CM and submit the letter of support to form the government as per the instruction from the central leader. I have only given the statement prior to that also, they have not approached us. They have not sent any communication that they are going to join our party. So I have nothing to say on that. So we are working to support the government till the end of the term. So I don't think that we have any difference, both MLA, with the direction from the central leadership, we have support the government and we will support till the end of the term. But the election ko soyong, kamday su ke general election kala de by election. Te nakaliang ke jongi kum ke party ngidang long ke padang lung ba po soyong. Ketika first time ke bangi contest. But candidate jongi udai padang kena. Nak pergi kandidat di bawah kontes akan ke election ke Bladep, udah kena tahu, but udah itu wadang tang themai politics, uwan nak background as a lawyer, udah praktis batu SP manta, tapi nak kalian juga encourage ya ki young generation kamtam ki youth bakin participate aka politics, tapi lah peniang ni hukum kandidat. Buat ulah persanghi kan lah kat yai menteri ban poi sekmat Henry ngiham burong pat ia kam mandit cong ki pai ba na po yong ki klam ai ke kesian itu ban man su pen inusa wat ke TMC ke wadon sanut ki ameleru ka jo ke jingkia ki yo atang kendiat bu bat kamtam ke HSPDP ka bala penmi yo ba samlin maliang ku memele karu kelai kendo ke jo ke jingkia te ngamong ni namar balese nakaliang chongki paipa nong song po soyong kimpat ibit ya ukan di jongi ada nakaliang ke jongi ngira leba ngira persang ban penjob yu kandai cepat ba apat kim ai ke jingkersian ngimla le ni burom ya kana jung paipa